2019 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel, compass, security system, power windows, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.